Welcome back to my channel. Very excited for today's video because I'm going to be testing out a at-home waxing kit. If you haven't waxed before in your life, it's very painful, but it's very short-lived pain-wise. So yes, just recently purchased this Doremi waxing kit, made easy at home, and this is, I would say, heaven sent. The reason why I say this is because it's only $25. I believe it was $25. I will be linking below. And typically, like if you go wax at a salon or something like that, it can cost you from like 80 and up. And I know I've paid 80 before, and that's like every month, so it's very costly. Okay, so it comes with a pure natural premium wax beads. You get one for it's an all over use, okay? Or there's also one for your brows, face, and lip. So if you have a mustache, this is perfect for that as well. Now, the most important one that I have yet to try though is the bikini and armpit one. I'm a chicken, so I don't know if I'm gonna do this one necessarily. But my eyebrows, I have been letting them grow out just so I can show you guys this video. Now it does come with these little sticks where you put the wax on and then apply it to that specific body part. The actual little machine wax looks like. You can see it has different temperatures where you can adjust it. If you want it to be a little bit faster, you can put it all the way to 240 and then let it cool for a little bit because it does get very hot. It comes with this little like top if you want to do it. Now I do have some residue from last time that I tried it, and you know, I can't waste it, so we're just gonna go ahead and preheat that again. So I'm gonna put it all the way to the maximum. Now I think it takes about like 15 minutes to heat up and melt completely. As you can tell, it's hard.
My camera already at this point stopped recording, but I went ahead and put wax on my sideburns. As you can see, it looks kind of shiny, and yeah, it was not completely melted, as you can tell, because it's supposed to come off, the whole piece.
Completely melted. I went ahead and put it on my sideburns because I am one of those girls that I can't do my sideburns. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it there. So you can see it is completely melted. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and do my eyebrows, my sideburns with this. You are supposed to leave it on for about 30 seconds. The first time I tried it, I did the mistake of ripping it off like 10 seconds in, and then like that made me bleed, so you have to be really careful with it. And then make sure, like I said, it's not too hot because I mean you can burn your skin. This is exactly what happened. You see that scar right there? I made at home wax and I thought it was cool, and it was not. So it literally burned my skin off. It sizzled it off. So I will forever have that. 1, 2, 3. You see, and it leaves it red too. So we're gonna be doing my eye. Now with this, I wanna be very careful, and I'm gonna get a mirror just so I can see exactly where I'm putting the wax on. Here goes nothing.
Waxing your eyebrows, or just waxing in general, is just so much easier, especially for your eyebrows, just because if you tweeze, I mean, you have that constant pain, but once you wax, it's just like a one-time thing. I know, girl. I feel you. I feel you.
Lo que hacemos por la belleza, hija. Okay. 1, 2. Oh! Oh my gosh. Like residue left over from the wax.
So this oil pretty much helps soothe your skin, while at the same time it removes any kind of residue wax that you may still have.
My eyebrows threaded one time, and it was like the worst experience. One was like shorter than the other, which I do know that eyebrows are sisters, not twins, friends, not twins. Algo así. Completely love this little machine. Now it can get a little bit tricky if you do not heat it up correctly. Cleaning it it's a hassle. It is like chorreado, you know what I mean? I still have some product in there, so I will leave it to cool off because I will be using it for the next time I wax. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys more for trying it at home instead of like going to the salon and spending 80 bucks every time? Only other thing I would like to say is wear gym clothes because this is an extreme sport. So alright, thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a good weekend. Bye. Ay, hijo de su puta madre, se me dolió.